Now in this video we are going to study about the rainfall and the relative velocity between a rainfall and a man or a woman holding an umbrella. So let us understand this with an example. Let us say that if you are standing on a ground and you are holding the umbrella like this, and if rain starts falling, suppose rain is falling in this direction, in vertically downward direction, then if you are holding the umbrella upright and you are standing, then you will be protected by rain. But let us say that if you are moving, if the man is moving with a velocity vm in this direction and rainfall is falling vertically downwards, let us see this, let us say that is the velocity of rain, then this will become a case of relative motion. Now if we find out the velocity of rain with respect to man, then it will be equal to Vr minus Vm, as we do in the formula for relative velocity. Now if we draw the diagram of this in vector form, then this is the velocity of rain, this is the direction of velocity of rain, and Vm is in this direction. The man is moving in this direction, but here we have minus Vm. So since we have minus Vm, that means the vector Vm will be in opposite direction. So this will be the direction of minus Vm. Now if we join the tail of Vr vector with the head of Vm vector, then this third side of the triangle will give us the relative velocity, which will be Vrm, the resultant velocity of rain with respect to man. Now that means that if the man is moving in this direction, in positive axis direction with umbrella, and the rain is falling vertically downward, it would appear to man that the rain is coming in this direction from forward. He will see, it will seem to be that the rain is coming like this. Instead of falling vertically, the rain is coming like this. So if he has to protect himself, that means he has to hold the umbrella in the direction of rain. So if the man is here, then he has to hold the umbrella in this direction to protect himself from the rain. This resultant velocity will make an angle theta. So if the question asks at what angle the man has to hold the umbrella, then this will also be theta from the vertical because of alternate angle. We can use tan theta or any other trigonometric ratio to find out. Now here in this triangle, the tan theta will be equal to Vm by Vr. We'll ignore the minus sign because the minus sign is just giving us the direction. All what we need here is the magnitude of the angle. So this way we can find that the man, in which direction the man has to hold the umbrella. So if he hold the umbrella upright like this, he will get wet because for him the rain is coming in this direction. So he has to hold the umbrella in the direction of the resultant velocity, if the direction of in the direction of the relative velocity of rain with respect to man. So let us understand this with an example. Let us say this question is given. A man is standing on a ground with an umbrella. Suddenly rainfall starts at the speed of Vr equals to 20 meter per second at an angle of 30 degree with the vertical. So in this question, the rainfall is not falling vertically, it is falling at an angle of 30 degree from the vertical. Now find the speed and the direction in which the man should start running to save himself. Now here it is not given that the question is not asking in which direction he has to hold the umbrella to protect himself. That is done on the previous page. Here the question is asking in which direction and with what speed the man should start running to save himself. That means he is not holding the umbrella in any particular direction. He is still holding the umbrella upright. He is holding the umbrella like this only, and to save himself from rain, he will run in a certain direction at a certain speed. So if we make this diagram, then rain is falling at an angle of 30 degrees. So that means the rain will be like this, is making an angle of 30 degree with vertical, and then the man has to run in a particular direction. So we can write here the man should run in such a way that the velocity of rain becomes vertically downward with respect to man, because he is not tilting the umbrella, he is keeping the umbrella upright, so he will be saved by the rain only if the rain is falling vertically. So he should run in such a manner that for him the rain appears to fall vertically, then in that case he will be protected by the umbrella. So if we write it in the form of vector, the velocity of rain with respect to man, then it is Vr minus Vm. And since we have to find the velocity, we have to find the speed and direction in which the man should run. So here we need to find out Vm. So from this equation, Vm can be written as Vr minus Vrm. So if we draw the diagram, vector diagram of this situation, then Vr is in this direction. This is the direction of Vr, which is at an angle of 30 degree, like this, and the man and the relative velocity Vrm is in downward direction, but since we have minus Vrm, so it will be in upward direction. This will be the direction of minus Vrm. Now this means to complete the triangle, the resultant velocity by triangular law of vector addition will be in this direction. So we have Vr vector, we have minus Vrm vector, so the third side will represent the velocity of man. Now from this diagram only it is clear that the man has to run towards left with this velocity. So we already know the direction from here. Now we have to find the magnitude of speed. Now from this triangle, if this is 30 degree, then this will also be a 30 degree angle. Then we can write from the triangle sine 30 will be equal to Vm upon Vr, and Vm will be equal to Vr sine 30 degree. Now Vr is already given as 20 meter per second, so it will be 20 sine 30, which is 1 by 2. So that means his speed should be 10 meter per second. What this means is that if the man runs towards the left with a speed of 10 meter per second, then the rain will appear to be falling vertically for him and he will be protected by the umbrella. This question can be done in a separate way also. This is the basic approach, this is the strategic approach which should be applied on every question related to this kind of condition. But if we need to find out a shortcut method, then we can divide Vr into two components. This Vr will be divided into this component, which will be Vr cos 30 degree, and this component will be Vr sine 30 degree. Now Vr cos 30 degree is already vertically downward, so the man's umbrella will anyway protect him from this component, but this component needs to be protected. The man has to be protected from Vr sine theta, which is in this direction. So that means the relative velocity of man with respect to Vr sine theta should be such that the total relative velocity becomes 0. Then we can say that the man will run in that speed in which Vr sine 30 degree will never be able to catch him. So that means Vm plus Vr sine 30 degree should be equal to 0, or we can say Vm minus Vr sine 30 degree equals to 0, or Vm equals to Vr sine 30 degree. So this will give us this same result. So this is a shortcut approach, but this is a strategic approach. You should understand this first.